how I make them to approved the Play Console, Google Play Console first application, the new Play Console. So this is the new Play Console account. Check the account, and we have approved this Play Console application by this app. So this is the application of the web view application, simple web view application. So we have made this, the package name is this, and this is the 27 July. So check, everything is here. So we followed our these people, so this business people has a educational platform, so they has a Facebook group, so they share their join existing member by app to run their app 15-day to 17-day, and they use for educational purpose. This is the educational application, so that's why they can continue the application is very easily, and as is a simple to have an educational purpose, completely education category. So Google without any issue approved the app. So this is the app, and this is now production. So you can see this application in our Play Console. If you go here, already we have link. You can see this is the Google pages, you can see it. So in the 2026, this is the first application I have tried to approve their application in the Play Console. Thank you.